My knife broke in that last video, so we got to do this unboxing without the handle. No fear, we can still make it work. It's Big Boss. We got another unboxing of some more fragrances. Mixed 3 box. Let's get this open for y'all. Stay tuned.
I'm a money magnet, draped in designer. I stay high fashion. Chris, you bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
Let's cut the chase, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm really destructive, I guess, because I don't even know how I even I broke the handle. I don't know how I did it. I've been breaking a lot of stuff lately. I blame the gym, though. Guess I'm like Superman. Okay, packages. Man, you already know, man. You know me. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Oh, we got some stuff in here. Oh, shit. Got some stuff in here. Start with the first. Oh, snap. That's the damn already. Okay, so we're gonna unbox all these. I think I need a new shelf, to be honest. Alright, so let's talk about this one first. Right now we got Davidoff Cool Water. This is a 4.2 fluid ounce box. So that's good. I mean, it's a lot in here. It's gonna be a big bottle. 4 fluid ounces. Ooh, that's like 100 something, 400 sprays or something like that. A lot of sprays. Hope it's good. See what this bottle looks like. I got all this stuff from fragrance.com or fragrancenet.com, whatever it's called. Fragrance.net, I don't know. Okay, so. Oh, I'm so sorry. I gotta show you what's going on. Boom. Dig it. Oh, I wonder how this smells. Oh, this the toilet version. Dang, I hope this smells good. Yeah, that stuff smells like bod. You know what bod smell like? What is this? Bod. So now we got this little thing right here. I think that cool water was like $22 or something. Couldn't cost that much. Let's get this open. My phone finna die, so I gotta hurry up. You feel me? This is actually called. This is toilet spray too. It's called Lucky 7, or I think. I think I heard somebody talk about this, so I just got it just to see if it was good. I think one of my people that commented below told me to get this or something like this. Ooh, look at this. How you do it? Oh, it's a spray. Oh, is it spray out the gate? Oh, you gotta take the thing off. Oh, I see what they're doing. Okay, so look, boom. This got like a little ring protector. See, when it's on there, you can't spray it down. When you take it off. You feel me? Yes. Lucky fire. Just never smelled nothing like that before. Yeah, we're gonna do reviews, y'all. Alright, next we got Calvin Klein 1. Okay. It looks like it's 2 things in here. Oh. Why everybody so different? Why can't they just be regular? So basically, they just, you know what I'm saying, got the thing without the thing. Guess you gotta twist that off to put the thing in the thing to let y'all know it's the first thing, that the thing that you got, the thing. Whatever. I'm big on the whatever. Can't even smell it for real. What if this is all fake cologne? I got a bad experience with this stuff though. Oh, this is not that bad. This smells good. That really smells like something. Okay. On to the next. Burberry Touch. Burberry. Oh. Let's get this open. Yeah, all that. That's how the bottle look. What's up, Peanut? I'm doing the video. Leave me alone. Boom. Got like a little tiki looking type. It looks like a quart. Take it off. Oh, this is a fancy looking bottle. I like this bottle. That smell like just fragrances. So I'm guessing all of these is like fresh fragrances because I was just fresh. That's all I'm getting. Fresh. Oh, this is Calvin Klein Obsession for men. Don't even know why I picked this. I think I just seen the price. I was like, oh, that's cheap. I'm gonna get it. Don't judge me. Don't judge a player, judge a mayor. Don't judge a player, judge a prayer. Don't judge a prayer, judge a calaver or a slayer. This got like cinnamon and stuff. This might be a spicy one. Who knows? Ooh, look at that bottle. Ooh, you can tell this is gonna be on the spicier side. Okay. I ain't got that many places I can spray it. But this smell like the definition of cologne, right? It's funny. Anyways. Hey yo, I need a new shelf. I'm filling it up. Okay, well that concludes this unboxing. I'm gonna do some reviews on it, let y'all know what's going on. I got this from Fragrance. They got a little paper in a box. Ooh. And they gave me a sample of whatever. What's this called? Exceptional because you're for men. Whatever.